In this video, I want to demonstrate how to create an edge flange with two holes in it. So I'm going to select edge flange. I'll grab this edge. I'm just going to drag the arrow down and click to create it. I'll come over here and set everything up the way I would like it. I would like it 90 degrees. I would like the virtual sharp. And for the flange position, I want material inside. Next, I'll select to edit the flange profile. So I'll grab this corner and I'll drag it over a bit. Same with this one. And I'm going to add two holes, so I'll draw two circles. And I want to use the symmetry mate. So I'm going to stop creating circles. I'm going to come back and I'm going to add a center line. Just look normal to the part to make it easier. If I don't like that, I can flip the normal too. So I'm going to work from the origin. I'm going to create the vertical center line. I'll hold Control, select the two circles, and make them equal. I'll also select these two lines and the center line, release Control, and make them symmetrical about the center. I'll do the same for the center of these circles. I'll activate Smart Dimension. This will be 3/8. This distance will be 1.25 inches. The hole size will be 1/8. The distance between the holes will be 3/4. I'll dimension them from the bottom down 3/16. Now that I have a fully defined sketch telling me my sketch is valid, I'm going to tell it to go ahead and finish this. And I've created my edge flange with holes. Just going to go back to my isometric view. Then I'll rotate around again. And if I flatten the pattern, just fit the screen, we can see how it looks. I'll fold it back up and save my work.